Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own business page on Yelp. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Now first you have to go to yelp.com and then you should sign up, and it's a very simple step. All you have to do here is to just fill in some of your info. After filling in the information, click on sign up, then enter your phone number, then press save and continue. Then tap on Yelp for business, add a business. Then here, you should type your business name. I'm gonna type any name. After that, type your email address. Then type your phone number. Fill in all these information. Then click on continue. After pressing continue, you will get to this page. Fill in the info, then press continue. Then they will ask you to send the verification code. Then all the steps after that will be so easy. And here on the right side, you can see some details of your own business page. And you can customize it as you want and put the pictures or the titles that you want to put. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful to you all, and see you in another video.